Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video and I'm going to be telling you guys why I bought and returned the Graceful PM. Okay, so I pretty much got this bag and I pretty much boxed it up and returned it the same day that I got it, and I'm just going to explain to you guys why. So before I go ahead and get into it, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are interested and you do love luxury bags as much as I do. So let me just give you guys a little background information about this bag for those of you who've never heard of it or may possibly be interested in it. This is the Graceful PM. They do have two sizes. They have the Graceful PM and the Graceful MM, and you can also get this particular bag in 3 different materials. You can get it in Damier Azur, Damier Ebene, and also the monogram, and I chose to get it in the Damier Ebene. Okay, so this bag does cost $1,280. It's a beautiful bag. You do get the red interior and you also get the name tag. I think that this bag is a really good value for the money, and I will put a link down in the description bar if you're interested in purchasing this bag. It is sold out in this particular print. So I did purchase this bag last week from VUITTON.com, and I did receive it the next day because I did pay for overnight shipping. And my whole purpose of buying this bag was to use it to replace my Speedy 35 because I no longer use my Speedy 35. It's a nice bag, but it's just a little bit too big, and I just wanted to, replace it. And so I did place my Speedy 35 for sale. And so this bag is a shoulder bag, and one thing I noticed as soon as I got it was that it would not stay on your shoulder. Like, it wasn't very comfortable on my shoulder. It just kept slipping off, and I didn't plan on wearing it as a shoulder bag, so that wasn't a huge deal to me. So I am more of a tote bag or crossbody bag type of girl, so I was pretty much okay with wearing this bag in the crook of my arm. That was going to be what I was going to do. And I just noticed that it was so uncomfortable. It literally was hurting me to wear it like that. It was not comfortable at all. And I'm not sure if that's something that gets better with time, the more that you wear it. But I just wasn't willing to, put in the time to see, So I did notice when I was looking at reviews for this bag that there weren't very many reviews on this particular print. Most of the reviews that I saw here on YouTube were on the monogram print. So I don't know if that's not the case with the monogram print because it is a different type of leather. But again, with this particular type of leather, I did have issues in terms of the comfort of the strap when I was wearing it in the crook of my arm. And also, like I said, it did not stay on my shoulder. So as far as wearing it as a crossbody bag, I do have my strap from my multi-pochette accessoire, and I did just hook that onto the bag to see how I would like it as a crossbody bag, and that strap went with it nicely. I mean, I think it looks pretty cute, but I still didn't like the look of it. So last but not least, I did have some quality issues with this bag. The bag that I received was made in Texas at the Louis Vuitton factory that's in Texas. And I did have some scuffing on that leather tab that's in the front of the bag. And I also had some scuffing on the handle, and that's just not cool, especially when you're receiving a brand new bag. It should be in perfect condition. So with all of that being said, that's why I decided to go ahead and return this particular bag. And I wanted to come to you guys with this information just in case you are considering this bag. Again, as far as the comfort of the strap, I'm sure, or maybe that can get better with time, but like I said earlier, I wasn't willing to put in the time to see. These bags cost a lot of money, and I don't have money to waste and play around and do the wait and see when you're spending, over $1,000 on a bag. So I hope this information helps anyone that's interested in purchasing this bag. There will be a link in the description bar. As I said, it is sold out in this particular print, but you can still check it out. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave any comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.